like cottons, linens, and we have a beautiful set of collections today for the live. And if you like anything, please don't forget to send us a screenshot on WhatsApp, and let's get started. The phone number, the WhatsApp number is in the pinned comment, 86395 So let's start with the video. So mom is holding what I'm wearing right now. It's a nice cotton linen mix top. It's an only top, and this is what mom is wearing. It's a nice cotton top, and this is a A-line cut. So it has this button detailing and A-line cut, and very beautiful sleeves. It has this nice cotton cut work, and for this we get these matching bottoms, and even the bottoms have these cut work, and you can mix and match these bottoms with multiple other tops. Today even I have the same set, and I paired it up with this top. So you can see it matches perfectly, and not just with this top, you can match it with so many other tops because it's a nice blue color. And I'll also let you know the price. So the price for this top and bottom is 2130, and I am holding medium size.
And the price for this is 1430. It's L size.
1430 L size.
This is only single top.
Yeah, so it's perfect for daily wear, casual wear. Let's move on to the next one. And anything that you like, please send us a screenshot on WhatsApp. So this is a very pretty, it has block print. It's a nice cotton, cream color.
Block
and
print.
You don't have, like, it's not see-through because it has double lining for this top. So there's double lining both in the front and back, and it's a handmade block print.
And it has come with a plain bottom, so you can mix and match with other tops also, single tops or anything.
Yeah,
and
we are showing XL size mostly today. Almost everything is going to be in XL size, but we have these available in 2XL and also medium and large.
It has come with a full flared dupatta, very soft,
very
fabric.
Nice soft cotton fabric and complete block print, handmade. Price for this one
2295.
2295 is the cost. Full set, 3-piece set, dupatta, top and bottom, handmade block print, perfect for office wear and casual wear. Yes, 3XL is available in this one. Whoever sends screenshot and order, depends on like first come first serve basis. So please message our team on WhatsApp and we will book this for you. It's a very nice comfortable piece. Next we have one more. This is cotton and rayon mix. It's a nice top, cream color. It's a nice cream color top with this beautiful thread work. So very comfortable, very easy. Top length,
below
we have
knee length
to measure it, but just for an idea, I'll show it to you. This is like the normal regular length top, and I am holding XL size. And for this, the dupatta is very gorgeous.
Yeah, it has come with the cute cotton tassels, and even the bottom has like portly style over the side.
Button detailing. And this is the dupatta. So it's a very pretty. This is not cotton. It's a bit like semi-party wear. The top and bottom is, but like not the dupatta.
And this work, nice like print. Many of them are aware of this work. It's called the matney work. And the price is around 2,250.
Yeah, and just look at the dupatta. It's very beautiful. Yeah, 3-piece set.
Yeah, it's a 3-piece set.
Yeah, it's top, a 3-piece full set. Top, bottom dupatta for 2,250. So this is how the combination is going to look. You can take a screenshot and mention your size. We have free shipping in India. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Nice Jaipuri cotton.
It's a Jaipuri cotton. Even this is a 3-piece set. The soft fabric also, it's very soft fabric, and few and it has light detailing work over the neck,
around the neck, and also this cut work here. So very nice minimal
crochet
detailing.
lace over the sleeves and and like the down part of the top.
Yeah, it's crochet. And just look at the dupatta. It's so beautiful. It's a nice chiffon dupatta with ombre effect and like slight leheria pattern.
And the bottom is very cute, like it has come the embroidery floral theme over the like the ankle side, ankle part.
Yeah,
It's a very
near the
cute.
calf, we have
Yeah.
this nice floral embroidery patchwork. It's not patchwork actually, but it's embroidered onto the
And the
fabric.
price is around 3,195.
3195 is the cost, and this is how it will look. Yeah, the live will be uploaded, so you can also watch the live, and then you can decide which ones you want to order. This we will be uploading on the page as soon as it ends. So in the next 10 minutes. Okay, this is the next one. 3195 is the cost. Once again, we have all sizes available, but today we are showing mostly XL size, just because the last time we did M and L. And once again, just don't forget to see the patchwork here. Let's move on to the next one. It's
Yeah.
like a khadi cotton mix.
Yeah, khadi cotton mixed. Even it has the matney work. It's a very famous matney work, the age-old work. And this is called, and it has come with the black and off-white and black combination, and very soft dupatta for this.
The dupatta is very nice. It's like a nice, elegant piece because it's nice chiffon.
Like it looks so
And
classy
simple border.
and royal too. Like the combination, the khadi work.
Yes, 3140 is the cost.
And the bottom is slight flayed bottom, which gives a unique look like when you carry. See the
Yes,
combination
flared,
of the black
straight
and
pants.
beige
So this whole
combination.
set is 3140 for top, bottom. So you can take a screenshot. I'm just holding this so you understand the top length. It's the regular normal length. It's not too short or too long.
Like these are like completely comfortable for the upcoming season. If you can, yeah, summer if you
Yeah, for
carry the
summer,
day
for
long also,
office
it will
wear,
be very
casual
comfortable.
wear. These are very good.
See the
This is a
pastel
nice
shade,
Jaipuri cotton.
Jaipuri cotton, very soft fabric. You can feel the fabric, like the print and everything. It's very comfortable if you carry also.
It has this V-neck detailing here. Price for this one, even this is a 3-piece
And
set.
these are like low maintenance. You can easily
2295 is the cost.
carry on.
So very nice detailing here around the yoke with a nice V-neck. It's not deep too because it has this patch here. So very convenient for daily wear, office wear. And matching bottoms, of course.
Very soft dupatta.
Very soft cotton. My height is 5'7" for reference. That's why it's looking a little short. But yeah. So this is how it's gonna look. And this is the dupatta. Nice soft cotton. I took this one too and wore it yesterday for Shivratri. It's very comfortable and perfect for summers. 2295 is the cost. Full 3-piece set.
And one more, they both are coming in two, the same pattern but in two color options.
Yes, latest collections. These are Jaipuri, and most of them, like 90% of these, are not on the website yet. So you can just place an order by messaging us on WhatsApp. It's a beautiful Jaipuri A-line cut. You can see when I say A-line, it means like it's like a frock style. So it's perfect for Indian bodies too because it makes you look slim. And this is like a straight cut, but an A-line is more a bit flared on the bottom.
Even if you wear like one piece also, it looks very classy. It has come in the two color
Yeah,
options.
this is an anarkali, so doesn't have a side slit. Comes with matching bottoms. Okay, these are the pants and very cute dupatta because it has this elephant print going on. Very cute hathi print.
And for this, it has come with a cute tote bag
Hathi
too.
mere saathi. Oh yeah, these tops also have tote bags. Matching tote bags.
It's the bottom.
And this is the mustard yellow color. The same is available for pink as well. I don't know where it is, but yeah, I'm just showing it to you in yellow color. You can order either of the colors. It's a 4-piece set because top, bottom, dupatta and tote
The
bag.
price is around 2895.
It's 2895.
So these are the two color options in pink and mustard yellow.
You can select whichever you want. We do have sizes available. And yeah, it's very cute. Okay, let's move on to the next one.
Something in the darker shade. The purple color, dark purple color. Very soft fabric. Even though this is not the cotton, but the fabric is very comfortable with the minimal work.
We are currently at the Parkland Secunderabad branch, but these collections are also available in Amirpet branch. The stock is going to be the same everywhere, but the availability depends, like when it might be sold out at some place.
It has come with the plain bottom and the plain dupatta with the light
Nice,
border
yeah,
over
chiffon dupatta. This is not cotton.
Very comfort
It's like
fabric.
a, yeah, 3050 is the cost. 3-piece set. So it's more like office wear. And it is this comfortable fabric. Very pretty color. 3050. Let's move on to the next one.
This is in the off-white color with the light gold combination and very neat work over the neck yoke. Beige color, and it has come with a printed bottom.
Yeah,
and very
and it
soft
has a
dupatta.
different print so that it doesn't look mixed up. And it's a nice silk. It's like a mixed silk fabric. Very pretty premium fabric. 2750 is the cost. And just look at this batik print all over.
In the bottom.
And a nice chiffon dupatta. So it's like this nice golden mocha brown shade. It's very beautiful. And this is the dupatta. So this is the full combination.
You can take the screenshot and WhatsApp us.
And yes, shipping is free all over India. We also ship internationally. So yeah. And shipping only takes, like, the whole entire stock that we are showing right now is ready. You don't have to wait for it. So you'll receive it in like 3 to 4 working days. And if you're in Hyderabad, then in the next one day only you'll get it. Let's do this. And this also we have 2 colors.
Yeah.
Yeah, very nice pastel summer shades. Very gorgeous. 2295 regular wear cotton top. Very pretty blue color. And you can see the blue pants that I'm wearing is going with almost all the tops that we are seeing today.
It has
Very
come with the
pretty
plain
cotton
bottom.
dupatta.
Like these
Plain
bottoms,
bottoms.
you can mix and match with the other tops also if you take the single tops also.
It's nice Jaipuri collection. And this is the dupatta.
This set is available in 2 color options. One is
Yeah,
light
pink and blue.
blue.
And these are pastel shades, so these are like dull pastel subtle colors, not the bright blue, like not like this one. Price for the full set is 2295. 2295
set
for
in 2 color
full
options.
3-piece. Yeah. And when you message us on WhatsApp, our team will also send you another picture, clear picture. So if the video is not clear for you, then you can also decide after looking at the picture on WhatsApp. Only 2295. This is pastel pink, and this is a nice pastel green and blue color combination. Okay, let's move on to the next one.
Yeah. These are like perfect for the summer or for the comfortable climate. See the
It's a very
combination
nice
for this
combination.
grey combination, half white.
It's like a mild blue gray color. Wow, just look at this dupatta, guys. So
See
pretty.
the chikankari work
Koncham
over the
dooram
top
chuppe.
and everything. All over the top, it has a beautiful work.
It's a
And
very
even the
lovely
neck yoke
combination.
also. Neat work. So classy paste. It looks so classy and elegant.
And plain white bottom, straight fitted pants.
Very comfortable bottom. It has come with
3995 is the cost. I'll just hold it.
XL size.
No, we do have all available.
The
This
one
is
which we
available
are
in all
showing are the
sizes.
XL size. You can WhatsApp us or you can message us.
It's a very gorgeous, elegant, and classy piece. Even this cotton is double lined, so it's not see-through.
So this is the bottom.
Very beautiful, very elegant, very pretty dupatta too. I think I'm gonna take this one as well. It's very gorgeous. Perfect for summers.
Yeah, this is only a two-piece, top and bottom. It's a comfortable top, and it has come. It's only a two-piece top and bottom.
Which one? The previous one? No, it's not
It
transparent.
has lining inside,
Yes, it has double lining.
and this one top.
And this
It's
is the bottom.
2420, 2420.
It's a two-piece set, only top and bottom. It's
These-
like a mixed cotton, like khadi cotton,
And
maybe.
low maintenance too, but very comfort if you carry day long.
And
also.
it's wrinkle free, so it doesn't even wrinkle easily. Perfect, very convenient for the summers, for the hot summers.
Wow, see the combination and the work over the neck and everything. The neck pattern, show the neck pattern over the V neck.
It's a very beautiful pink color, mauve shade. 2995 is the cost. Minimal mirror work here. Close up.
And the cut work over the sleeves and the neck. A very neat cut work. It's
And minimal
2995.
mirror work. And this is the beautiful dupatta. Soft dupatta. Dupatta. ఇక్కడ పెడతా. So this is the final look. 2995. 3-piece. And the fabric for this one is like a rayon, cottonish type.
Rayon
It's not
mix.
cotton. It's rayon. Nice batik print. And yeah.
Something in green color, even though it's like party look, but the fabric is very comfortable and very minimal work, the embroidery work over the neck yoke, and it has come with the contrast combination dupatta, cream color, and the top and bottom of both are in the same color. And the dupatta, show the dupatta. Open this dupatta. It's very cute dupatta too.
It's a nice white ivory, cream white.
And the price is only 2095. You'll get such a 3-piece set.
This is the combination. It's a
So
very nice, very
classy
classy piece. Yeah.
So classic.
It's like
piece.
semi-party wear also.
And the tissue
Because of the
shine.
silk fabric. 2095 is the cost.
So 2100, you'll get such a beautiful 3-piece set in XL size. You can screenshot us and
Very
WhatsApp
pretty
us too.
dupatta. Yeah, let's move on to the next one. Another cotton. This is see-through, but you have to pair it up with something else. It's a very nice chikankari work, thread work. Very beautiful, elegant,
Like
nice
all the knot
cotton.
work.
Yeah, it has this French knot work. But this is a see-through fabric, so you have to wear an extra inner underneath. And we have 2 colors available. It's a nice lemon yellow pastel. These are the pants, matching pants to go with. And a very beautiful, gorgeous dupatta. It has this cut work detailing all over. Lucknowi
It's a
style.
very
Sorry,
beautiful
chikankari work.
dupatta. All over dupatta has a very neat cut work
Thread
and
work.
thread
Yeah,
work.
thread embroidery.
Like
And it's very delicate cotton piece. Price
perfect for
this
like a
one,
holy or anything.
2490. 2490 is the cost. And one more shade is this lilac lavender color. It's like a pink. Yeah. So you can see how bright this one is and how, yes, it is a 3-piece complete set. Top, bottom, dupatta. Okay, you can pick either of
These
the
are
colors.
the 2 color
Even in
options.
these, we do have sizes available.
In all sizes.
Yes, all sizes are available. 2490 is the cost. And yes, the top is see-through. Okay, yeah. So thank you for joining today's live. I'll just end it once again with the top that I'm wearing. So this is the top. It's a nice cotton top. Price for this one is 1430. I am wearing XL size and this is large size. And we have all sizes available in this one. And this is on the display. It's like a raw silk fabric but with cotton lining inside, so it's very soft and very elegant dupatta. So it's not like daily wear but a bit more on the party wear side. It's a nice raw silk fabric, perfect for pujas, very elegant piece. And also look at the cutwork detailing for the neck. And price range for this one 1995, so below 2000. We have this whole three-piece set and some more collections that are on the hanger. I'll show you. It's a three-piece cotton set, v-neck, dupatta, matching dupatta and also bottom. 1795 is the cost. These are also available. I'm just showing you because these are on the display. You can send a screenshot to order these as well. Floral print, two-piece set, matching bottoms. So this is the fabric for the bottom, this is the print, and 2420 is the cost. It's like a cotton linen fabric with nice vibrant floral print. This one we already saw in the live. And in this we saw pink color, but we have one more color option, blue color. Price is 2895, three-piece with the soft dupatta, chiffon dupatta. And it's not completely cotton, it is mixed with rayon. This is not daily wear. Yeah, this is one more. Linen cotton mix, 1795. Sorry, it's like a khadi cotton mix. Lace detailing for the neckline, 1795. Three-piece, top, dupatta and bottom. This is the soft dupatta and plain white bottoms. The bottoms are really nice for this one. Can be paired up with so many other kurta sets. It has this lace detailing too. So this is the three-piece. And this one we saw in the live just now. And some cotton frocks with jackets. It's a very pretty 2760. Ironda. Yeah, there are varieties. The frock is the same, but the jacket is a bit different. But you can pick either. Yeah, we have lots of party wear collections. Let's just show them the ones on display from the outside. Yeah, let's see the display. So we also have party wear, but today we are seeing a bit more casual wear. There is a nice georgette piece, and then we have a silk fabric. There's also a pattu silk here with a beautiful organza dupatta, and these are available up to 5XL. So I'll also let you know the price ranges for these. So this purple one is 3095. Sorry, not purple, wine shade. 3095 has this georgette dupatta, and the second one, golden color, is 4950, floral print dupatta. These are party wear. Just look at this pattu fabric. These are made from saris, like pure handloom saris. Just look at the shine of the fabric and the neat detailing here around the yoke. 4950. And then this is another one. Then it కొంచెం ఇట్లా తిప్పారా కింద. Yeah, I'll show you the pink one. Just come on this side. Just look at the shine of the fabric. It's a very beautiful pink. And look at this. In this we had a wine color and we made another color, pink color. It's like a beautiful fabric. So yeah, all these collections are also available in party wear. And we have many casual wear too. So yeah, thank you for joining today's live and see you guys in the next one. Bye.